I have the M4 iPad Pro, and this iPad does not come with Google Chrome installed by default. If you want Google Chrome on your iPad, just go to the App Store. So just launch the App Store. And then on the App Store, just tap on the search function in the bottom right corner, this one right here, and then search Chrome. And from the results, you should see Google Chrome. You can open it in its own page, and then just tap on Get to have the app installed. So from this pop-up window, just tap on Install. Now you might require to sign in with your Apple ID password, so just go ahead and do that. And then after you type in your password, just tap on Sign In, and it should start installing Chrome on your iPad. So depending on how fast your internet is, it may take varying amounts of time. Now mine is relatively quick, so it should take a short time. You can actually see the progress there. And once it's done, it should say open. Now you can tap on open to launch Chrome from here, or you can just go back to the app screen and you should see Chrome icon. And you can tap on that and launch Google Chrome. Now, obviously, if it's the first time, you might have some setting up to do. You might want to sign in with your Google account. But that's basically how to get Google Chrome installed on your iPad. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.